cake looked like when it came out the oven. Okay, it did take longer than I thought it would. It took about 50 minutes altogether. Okay, so do check it with your skewer. Stick your skewer in the middle, pull it out. If it has got mixture on the skewer, sort of soft mixture, then it's not cooked long enough, so put it back in the oven for a little while, then take it out again in 5-10 minutes and check it again. Okay, make sure that your skewer is clear or clean. Okay, then it means it's cooked. Right, we're going to do some butter icing on the top, or you can either dust it with some icing sugar, depends on how you want to decorate it. Okay, so I'm gonna decorate mine with some butter icing, and then I'm gonna make it look pretty with some strawberries and some strawberry sauce. Okay, I made my butter icing with icing sugar, butter and some vanilla extracts and just a little touch of milk, just to make it into a sort of fluffy buttery texture. Okay, sort of like thick cream. And then I'm going to start covering my cake with it. Well, I'm just going to start covering my cake. I have my spatula, okay, which is great for covering cakes. And I'm just going to put it all on. It's up to you if you want to. I was thinking maybe you could cover your colour butter icing pink if you want to, but as I'm putting on strawberries and sauce and stuff, I thought no, I'm going to keep it a creamy colour, okay, because then my sauce and my strawberries will show up more. So, but obviously it's entirely up to you, your creation. You desire, decorate it the way you want to decorate it. Okay, alright, I'm not going to go around the edges, I'm just going to do the top. Okay, so I'll do that and then we'll get back to you, but just cover the top all in nice. Right, I finished decorating. I finished covering my cake in butter icing. Okay, so it's all covered, just the top. I've done it a reasonable thickness, so it doesn't, you can't see any of the top of the cake. Okay, now I'm going to do some decorating. We're going to get the coulis that I made earlier, right, and a fork and a little spoon. Right, I have a little spoon, I have a fork. We're just going to spoon a little bit in the middle. Okay, and we're going to wiggle it around like that. Then we're going to put a little bit more in. Just a dribbles. So it's not thick enough to run, but it's thick enough to dribble. Okay. Right, then I'm going to get my fork. And I'm just going to make lines across the cake. Now what this does, it spreads the strawberry sauce out, makes it look pretty. Okay, right, I've done one side. Right, that is what I've done. All I've used is a fork, just gone over top. Now I'm going to go the other direction. So this time I'm going to go this way. Okay, and I'm just going to do that all over the cake, make it look pretty. Okay, it ends up like this. Okay, now I'm going to decorate it with some strawberries and then we can eat it. Yeah. Right, now we're going to decorate it with strawberries. I'm going to pick the best strawberry I think at the bunch, and I'm just going to put that on top. Okay, and then the other ones I'm going to cut in half and put round the sides. Okay, so just gonna lay them on the sides like this. So picked out the best one I think to go on top. Okay, and the rest I'm just gonna put around the sides and make it look pretty. Finish it off and then get back to you again. Right, this is what ends up with when you put the strawberries in. I'm just going to dust it with a bit of icing sugar and then it'll be finished. Right, this is the finished result. Okay, I'm going to cut it to show you what the inside looks like and put a bit on a plate. And then, right, this is what it looks like when it's cut. You have that lovely red swirly line that I put in the strawberries, as you can see. Okay, and then we're going to give it a taste test. Right, so we're going to give it a taste test, so here goes. Let's hope it tastes as good as it looks. That's nice. Very nice. The strawberries ain't overly sickly. Yeah, it's very nice. I tell you what would be very nice if you pour some more. If you have any leftover coulis, maybe pour some on your cake. Naughty but nice. Alright, that's lovely. Alright, while I finish my cake, thank you all for watching. Give it a try, see what you think. I think it's rather delicious. And I'll see you all again next time. Bye everybody. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and all that jazz. Bye.